Welcome to TechTutorials YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete cal.com account. So let's first of all you have to log in. On the top right you can see go to app. I've already have logged in. So once you go there, and then at the bottom left you'll see settings. And then on the settings, if you scroll down, you can see danger zone, and under danger zone you can click delete account. Are you sure you want to delete your cal.account? Anyone who is shared a link will no longer be able to book, so just click on delete my account. Your account was deleted. That's how you delete your cal.com account. I hope this video has helpful. Please let me know in the comment. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.